Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin and the overall market. Stocks should be up today, which I think will drag up crypto. Bitcoin is kind of struggling. What I like to watch is the getting back over the daily VWAP, which is shown over here. And we are struggling to hold that. So we are not. So we're filling inefficiencies and imbalances here, as you can see by the gaps in the green and red. I'm going to stay bullish as long as we're above the point of control. We lose that, we're going to flush. I think we could flush as low as like 67. And I'll show you what that looks like if I zoom out a little bit. There's just more sellers than buyers right now. There's some, I think, could be just whales just filling their lower bags. They're just pushing price down to fill their bags and then push higher. So I have two things here. This dotted yellow line is a falling channel. So if I didn't draw the backside of it, but basically we need to break out above this to maintain bullish momentum. And then two, this big blue line you have here was the macro bull flag. And I'll zoom out again. And yes, this chart's kind of messy, but you get the picture. So you have a big blue bull flag, We're now back inside. We could either flush the bottom, which I don't. It's possible we could if we flush everybody from 67, come back down, retest this, and then come back up, re-break out. So you had a fake breakout. People sold like crazy. So my personal opinion is we'll come down, we'll flush out some more levels. If we don't hold this current one, we'll flush down to at least 67.5. We can come all the way down to as low as 66. And then I think we're going to run and make a new all-time high. And then if that happens this week before the Bitcoin halving, we're going to basically have a dump down to like 52. That could be what is in order. We don't have to, but we have a lot of all this under here hasn't been taken. So we could just draw a big box down here. If I could find my box. So anywhere in this neck of the woods would be a nice buy zone. Buy zone, long zone, we'll draw it right there. So 58 to 50. That's a huge box, but there's it's a lot of untaken liquidity down there. And it would make sense. So in the grand scheme of things, if I delete this for you real quick, you could see something like this. So let's say we flush down to at least 67 or the bottom of the triangle here at 66 and then get a nice strong bounce. And then we come up, make a new all-time high. Let's say we even go all the way up to like 80. Actually, the top of this breakout triangle is like 93. So if we got a massive blow off top, could you imagine what that would look like to come all the way back down? That would flush out all new people in crypto. And crypto loves to do that. So that could be something like that. Now the time frame, I don't know. So here it is, 93,489 is the breakout target from this bull flag. Crypto likes to overperform, so it's quite possible we go higher than that. But trust me, people who have been underwater for 4 years are going to sell like crazy at that point in time. So there's not much else I can say. We're just in a consolidation phase. Depends on which side of the whales are winning. Right now, the people are taking profit, and the whales that are taking shorts are winning. Excuse me. So I will say, yeah, yesterday you had some bullish divergences which got canceled, and then I still like the upward momentum, even though price is still falling. So it's technically we still have some more bullish momentum based on the momentum itself and some of the money flow starting to curve back up. So I like what I see, but I tried a quick scalp earlier and got stopped out at break even. So I was out the fees. So that's about it. Don't take any stupid chances today until the market decides what direction it's going. New York should help give us some boost on that. I believe today is also CPI data and whether or not we're going to have another rate hike or we're going to hold rates. I think the majority, it's like an 80% plus, believe we're going to hold rates, which means nothing will happen. It's already been priced into the stock market. So I'm just watching the battle of whales right now because It seems to me in the small time frame, I'm zooming in the 5 minute and under, that you're trying to form a cup and handle pattern. This gray line here, which I'll make it bigger or make it dotted. Dashed. Let's do dotted just because it gets confused with the actual dash line I've got. There we go. That is our VWAP. So we're below it. I want to see us get back above it, but we're also above the point of control. Point of control sitting in at 68,799. We do have some more inefficiencies / imbalances below us. We could fill those because this is a quick run up. So I could see a flash crash retest this point of control at 799 and then look to regain and push higher into the New York Open. But for me, from a scalp perspective, we were struggling to hold this red line, which is my 20 EMA. And now we're pushing back through it. So we've been having this the whole time. We have massive between $8 and $12 million shorts come in. They push the price down. Then you have these guys come in on Binance and just buy up $1 to $3 million in long. So I don't know what game they're playing, but I'm waiting for it to at least figure itself out. Because right now, even in the 1 minute, you're in a downtrend. So until proven otherwise, I want to see more of a sideways consolidation before we pop. So that's about it. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me with a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blackguard Discord. Thanks, guys.